Hello, in this lecture I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question, how the universe was created, is very simple. The universe was created from nothing. And nothing also is defined as quantum fluctuations. I will explain what is quantum fluctuations later. And the answer to the second question, who created nothing, is also very simple. Nothing was never created because it was always existed. Okay, now I will explain what is quantum fluctuations. Quantum fluctuations is a change in the amount of energy in a point in the space. So those changes in the amount of energy could create virtual particles, and from that virtual particles, real particles could be created, and from real particles, matter can be created, and that matter is actually our universe. Okay, thank you very much.